Hi everyone, my name is Sachin Kumar and my ID number is 109292. Today my presentation about open innovation in Fisher and Paykel Healthcare, and this is introduction with subtitle is Strategic Innovation for Global Impact. This is company overview. The Fisher and Paykel Healthcare is a New Zealand-based company that designs, manufactures, and markets medical devices and systems, particularly for respiratory care and sleep apnea treatment. And the company overview, like founded the Fisher and Paykel Healthcare founded in 1934 as part of Fisher and Paykel become stand alone in 2001, and 6,000 people work in that company, and headquarters in Auckland at New Zealand, and markets served 120 plus countries, and revenue for years 2024 $1.74 billion New Zealand dollar, and R&D investment 198.2 million New Zealand dollar. This is the strategic plan and annual goals. The strategic focus areas: addressing unmet clinical needs and expanding globally, building strong partnerships in healthcare, and for years 2024 goals achieved 10% year-over-year sales growth and 18% growth in home care revenue, and 59.9% gross margin despite recall events. The Fisher and Paykel Healthcare is a global leader in medical technology dedicated to improving patient care and through innovative respiratory and acute solutions. The company focuses on addressing unmet clinical needs and expanding its global presence and building strong partnerships within the healthcare industries. This is the main products and market share. In that, the key products: the hospital respiratory humidification systems, F&P Evora full mask, which is like F&P Evora full mask was developed based on clinician and feedback to improve patient comfort. And next is neonatal care system, which is neonatal air conditioner faster and more efficiently. The next is market share, leader in hospital respiratory care globally, rapid growth in sleep apnea segment. Innovation model used: open innovation. Model chosen: open innovation, and this is the different type of characteristics like collaboration with external experts. Next is clinician and patient involvement, and the last is IP management with government partnerships. In that case, Fisher and Paykel Healthcare adopts an open innovation model, fostering collaboration with external partners such as clinicians and researchers and academic institutions to drive the development of advanced medical technologies. How open innovation implemented? There is a table of chart. In this chart, there are different categories like idea generation, leader use, input, and beyond Ripple. In case of idea generation, there are three categories: partnerships and development and commercialization. In case of partnerships, the lead user input, and in case of Von Hippel, West and Gallagher. In case of development, the agile prototyping, CAD and 3D printing, and in case of commercialization, next is rollout with training. Innovation model and diagram. This is the flow chart. The first is unmet clinical needs, which is follow that clinician and user feedback. After that, next is co-design with partners and hospital university. The next is rapid prototype and simulation, which is products are quickly tested using CAD simulation and refined based on early feedback. And after that is clinical testing iteration. In case of clinical testing iteration, the introduced worldwide with clinician support and programs to ensure adoption. And next is regulatory approval, and the other is global rollout and staff training, and the last is feedback loop and continuous improvement. The next is linking innovation to financial programs. There are different categories like innovation driven revenue and gross margin growth and home care segment, and the last is employee engagement in innovation. In case of innovation driven revenue, there are 1.74 billion New Zealand dollar sales, and with most growth from new products. And in case of gross margin growth, there are 59.9% despite recalls. And the next is home care segment, 18% year-over-year plus, driven by innovation. And the last is employee engagement in innovation, 85% plus. This is the next. This is the strategic advantage and conclusion. In case of strategic advantage, what makes FPH unique? It makes open ecosystems versus centralized R&D and empathy, agility and partnerships. And the last is strong IP and compiles processes. And the conclusion is open innovation at FPH creates a scalable, sustainable advantage in regulated healthcare markets. This is the references. Thank you.
Okay. So now, Bhagirathi, can you please ask one question?
How does FPH ensure the global success of its products?
Through dynamic capabilities, FPS supports global launches with training and education. For example, new respiratory solutions are introduced worldwide with the clinician support and program to ensure adoption.
Okay, that is the last person to ask. You? Yeah, Jarna, please ask one question.
Sachin, I have one question for you. What role do partnership play in AFP's innovation strategy?
FPS uses a lead user approaches by involving clinician directly to identify unmet needs. For example, FNP Evora full mask was developed based on clinician feedback to improve patient comfort.
Okay, so anyone wants to ask any question? Be the last person. You can ask question if anyone has any question. Otherwise, like yeah. So it is good. Yeah, you did a please. You did a good job. Yeah, the although like yeah, you would have make a little bit more the loud sound and with engaging. Yeah, that one thing I would like to comment because you only look on the screen or your notes somewhere. So that is one thing. And yeah, you made 7 minutes and 30 seconds around presentation. And yeah, it is a good attempt. You all said that this is the first presentation you are doing, so this should be okay. But in your next presentation, you are not only you, all of you need some improvement. Otherwise, you will not get good marks with this type of presentation. To be honest.
We need to some more information
Yeah.
about the topic. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.